Din hija l-podda numru 575 fis-sensiela ta' mużika mod ieħor flimkien miegħi Tony Sant. Fil-podda tal-lum se nisimgħu minant Eddie Fresco, Owen Llewellyn, Freddie Mizzi u Lindsay Page. U biex nibdew llum għandna din minant Super Love.
Spera f'għamiltek batu bil-pulmun u n-natura tagħmillek xi magħmul. Ser jobsu fuq qabartek dem bla kullur. Ser jgħidu ismek biskorġa dmuħ. Biddel ismek kull tan snin. Jitla min jitla jaħtaf dak li jsib. Ninsab ċert li qed tieħu ħsiebna mix-xemx. Imma issa hawn istem. Fabriki fej skejjel, fabriki fej sptarijiet. Trid tkun ġenju biex issib iżem ġdid għall-triq. Naqtak laqas biss saftom. Laqgħu bis-swimming pool għal gost. Mhux li kien qatt ma tibda l-kliem. Seba' ħadra ma tagħtix nubiet. Mhux li kien qatt ma tibda l-kliem. Seba' ħadra ma tagħtix nubiet.
Ħattilna minant Super Love tlaqana għal podda doħra fis-sensiela ta' mużika mod ieħor flimkien miegħi Tony Sant. Numru 575 din il-ġimgħa u għandna diversi siltiet ta' stili differenti. Kolli ngħid taħni hawnhekk b'din is-silta ta' Super Love smajnihom darb'oħra f'din is-sensiela ta' poddati, imma dettalji bħal dejjem permezz ta' tonysant.com il-website personali tiegħi. Meta toħroġ din il-poddata għall-ewwel darba, ġifieri għal nofs Marzu, għadhom kemm tħabbru wkoll il-Malta Music Awards. U mhux qed insemmi dan għal fatt li anka jiena ngħatajt award din is-sena dwar dan manka bloggata sħiħa permezz tal-website tiegħi sbuha fuq tonysant.com, qed ngħid hekk għal fatt li s-silta li biss ġejja minn dak illi ġie premjat fil-kategorija tal-hip hop. Qed nirreferi għal Eddie Fresco. Din hija The Devil Was My Uber Driver.
Yeah. Right. Back thoughts to the back of the cab. Don't know where to go, where I'm at. Yeah, the devil's at the wheel going fast. Wonder how long this shit gon' last. Back thoughts to the back of the cab. Don't know where to go, where I'm at. Yeah, the devil's at the wheel going fast. Wonder how long this shit gon' last. Had to go to war with myself, that's facts. Just to find I was still intact. Yeah, just to find I was still intact. New friends I really don't know if they really tryna burn my soul. If they with me to the day I go. If they with me to the day I know. New friends I really don't know if they really tryna burn my soul. If they with me to the day I go. If they with me to the day I blow. Bad thoughts to the back of the cab. Don't know where to go, where I'm at. Yeah, the devil's at the wheel going fast. Wonder how long this shit gon' last. Bad thoughts to the back of the cab. Don't know where to go, where I'm at. Yeah, the devil's at the wheel going fast. Wonder how long this shit gon' last.
Ay, bad thoughts to the back of the cab. Don't know where to go, where I'm at. Yeah, the devil's at the wheel going fast. Wonder how long this shit gon' last. Ay, bad thoughts to the back of the cab. Don't know where to go, where I'm at. Yeah, the devil's at the wheel going fast. Wonder how long this shit gon' last.
The Devil Was My Uber Driver mek mela minant Eddie Fresco rbieta din is-sena tal-Malta Music Awards għal-kategorija tal-hip hop. Unkomplu fil-kategorija tal-hip-hop, il-hip-hop il-lum għal-kem minn Maltin, mux bil-Malti, la minant Eddie Fresco, laqnas minant dan il-li ġej jissed, tal-li kifadna bħal dejjem permezz ta' tonisan.com fejn għad tistaw tagħmlu kuntatt miegħi biex tibdu l-attenzjoni. Forsi anke wkoll għal xi ħaġa oħra li tkunu tixtuqu ninkludi f'din is-sensiela ta' poddati. Kontent ngħidilkom dwar il-hip-hop minant il-Maltin imma li mhuwiex bil-Malti u allura ma jistax jonqos li għandna wkoll il-Owen Llewellyn. Owen Llewellyn id-debut tiegħu fil-verità dan wara s-suċċess tiegħu tas-sena li għaddiet fl-X Factor jew il-kważi suċċess tiegħu fl-X Factor ħanajdu hekk għax ma rebaħx l-X Factor imma għamel suċċess għax sar magħruf tal-anqas Malta. Minant Owen Llewellyn se nisimgħu My Time.
Never knew I could, but I can. I'm good cause I ran. Look how I stood for the fans. Looking forward to start getting more bands. Drinking from kegs and not cans. I give you tracks and you show me your dance. Give me your back and I'm dropping your pants. I'm never slacking, I only advance. Yeah, now y'all understand. I never thought that I'd make it out. Got social media freaking out. Everyone heard it without a doubt. And when you see my name, you shout it out. Cause I stood out from all the crowd, I'm the loudest mouth. Don't need a mic, I can simply shout. I don't need a fight to make you tap out. I win in a second like in and out.
This is my time to shine, this is my time. This is my time, I feel the vibe. This is my time, this is my time. Got that fresh style, this is my time. This is my time, I feel like I'm on fire. This is my time, this is my time.
Poof and I'm back like a wolf on a track. Holla at the moon, I'm like damn who is that? Holla at my crew, yeah I run with the pack. Now look at the talent, listen to the rap. And these modern day rappers who say they can rap, they sure need more practice cause that shit was whack. Back to the lab and demolish that track. Because nothing hurts more than a stab in the back. But I'm stabbing this rap, I'm murdering half of an alphabet, leaving a half just to give them back with it. Like saying rap is no acronym.
Been rapping for long man, you don't know half of it.
That ain't the rap, I adapted and there's still a gap to fill. Ask a friend if I could actually win. If he for real, then he know that it's happening. And if I form in, I'm sure I'll be back again.
This is my time to shine, this is my time. This is my time, I feel the vibe. This is my time, this is my time. Got that fresh style, this is my time. This is my time, I feel like I'm on fire. This is my time, this is my time.
If I don't get exactly what I wanna get, I throw a fit just because of this bipolar shit. I was born to do this, I was born to fly. Smoking competition, but the shit so I ain't high. Better buy a pound in these mini trees, pounding my enemies just to show I'm down for this industry. You clowns turn your frowns upside down when you look at me. I could put you down on the ground to get what I need, but to get closer, sometimes you gotta close your eyes and ask yourself, what is your goal, man? To blow these guys. Clear your mind of all the fake tears and all the lies. It's when you know you dug a hole way up in the skies. Watch me press the elevator button and I rise, elevating myself in the sky to get the prize. I fit into the spot and I don't gotta check the size. So be advised, I'm going to make it before I die.
This is my time to shine, this is my time. This is my time, I feel the vibe. This is my time, this is my time. Got that fresh style, this is my time. This is my time, I feel like I'm on fire. This is my time, this is my time.
My Time Mek mela minant Owen Llewellyn. Għattilkom għatna il-website tonysan.com għal-dettalji u l-kuntant, imma hemm ukoll l-M3P, il-Multi Music Memory Project minant il-Multimedia Memory Preservation fuq m3p.com.mt fej fil-verità inżommu d-dettalji ta' dak li kun għaddej kemm jista' jkun biex meta jgħaddi żmien anke niftakru minn xi għaddejna. U f'dawn il-ġranet tal-bidu ta' Marzu ma jistax jonqos li allura nfakru wkoll lil Freddie Mizzi. Freddie Mizzi li ħallina propju ftit tal-ġranet ilu. U Freddie Mizzi kien partikolari ħafna bħala mużiċist, mhux biss għax kien klarinettista tal-jazz li kien tajjeb ħafna, imma wkoll għal-fatt li kien idoq il-klassiku bl-aktar mod serju u bħal kwalunkwe mużiċist tal-mużika klassika oħra. Freddie Mizzi allura tajjeb li niftakru b'xi ħaġa illi la toqrob lejn il-jazz, insomma toqrob ftit lejn il-jazz, imma żgur li ma tmurx lejn il-klassiku illi hija l-B-side ta' single li kien ħareġ fil-snin 70. Is-silta li se nisimgħu mingħand Freddie Mizzi hija Big Boy Riff. Big Boy Riff fejn smajna lil Freddie Mizzi fuq is-saxophone pjuttost milli bil-klarinet mhux biss biex niddevjaw ftit mill-istili li hu assoċjat magħhom il-jazz u l-mużika klassika imma wkoll anke biex niddevjaw ftit mill-istrument partikolari tiegħu il-klarinet imma anke is-saxophone huwa parti minn dik il-familja wara kollox. U wara dik it-tislima lil Freddie Mizzi ngħaddu għall-ħarsilta li għandna llum ukoll, is-silta li hija ġdida wkoll mingħand kantanta li ilna nisimgħuha għal bosta snin f'din is-sensiela ta' poddati ta' mużika motiħor, enna neferi għal Lindsay Patch, il-ġdida taħħa hija Taxi Man.
You, yeah, you can take me home if you want to, but no, can't do. I don't wanna be alone. Take me for a ride, why don't you? Me, silly me, should be a good girl, but do I have to grab the wheel and take a wrong turn? Hit the brakes now, are you in the mood? Hey, what do you say? I gotta have it my way in the highway. Hey, Mr. Taxi Man, let's have some fun in the backseat of the car. Hey, Mr. Taxi Man, let's get it done. I don't care who you are. Hey, Mr. Taxi Man, you're some kind of body shaker, soul player. A wrist taker, heartbreaker. But in the end, baby, you're my Mr. Taxi Man. My, oh my, we're going full speed ahead. Let's get wild, roam the streets. Now you're driving me crazy. We're gonna crash and burn your mind tonight. Hey, what do you say? I gotta have it my way in the highway. Hey, Mr. Taxi Man, let's have some fun in the backseat of the car. Hey, Mr. Taxi Man, let's get it done. I don't care who you are. Hey, Mr. Taxi Man, you're some kind of body shaker, soul player. A wrist taker, heartbreaker. But in the end, baby, you're my Mr. Taxi Man. Hey, Mr. Taxi Man, let's have some fun in the backseat of the car. Hey, Mr. Taxi Man, let's get it done. I don't care who you are. Hey, Mr. Taxi Man, you're some kind of body shaker, soul player. A wrist taker, heartbreaker. But in the end, baby, you're my Mr. Taxi Man.
U b'Taxi Man ta' Lindsay Patch għana ġejna f'tmim tal-poddata tal-lum ukoll fis-sensiela ta' mużika motiħor fl-imkien miegħi Tony Sant. Qabel ħallikom fakkarkom il-dettalji u l-kuntatt huma permezz ta' tonysant.com u sa nerġgħu niltaqgħu darb'oħra jiena minn qalbi. Nawguralkom is-saħħa.